chest, shoulders, back, legs, abs, arms. You do not need a gym to build muscle. What you need is resistance. And the room you're sitting in right now already has enough resistance. A backpack, a chair, a wall, the floor, a couple of water bottles. Those are not useless objects. That's your home gym. Before I give you the workout plan, you need to understand these rules first, because home training is different from gym training, and most people fail because they don't understand that. Rule number 1. Mechanical tension still matters. Your muscles must be challenged. At home, that means taking lighter resistance close to failure. The weight is lighter, so the effort has to be real. Rule number 2. Most sets should be close to failure. And the final set of every exercise should reach true failure. That's the rule. Because home resistance is lighter than gym weights, your last set must end when you physically cannot do another representative with good form. Leave 1 or 2 reps in reserve on earlier sets. Empty the tank on the final set. Rule number 3. High reps are not optional. The lighter the resistance, the higher the reps must go. Some sets will be 15 reps. Some might be 30, even 50. The rep count doesn't matter. Effort does. Rule number 4. You must progress every week. Add another book to the backpack. Slow the tempo down. Choose a harder variation. Reduce rest times. Something always has to become harder. Rule number 5. Your training frequency must be higher than typical gym training. Most people should train 5 days a week with 2 muscle groups per session. But if you're a beginner, or returning after a long break, start with 3 days a week for the first month. Push, pull, legs. Once your body adapts, move into a 5-day split. Because each home workout uses less total load, frequency becomes even more important. These rules are designed for the equipment you actually have. Now let's build each muscle group. Back training. Most home workouts completely ignore real pulling movements. And if you skip back training at home, your posture will suffer. Rounded shoulders, forward head posture, upper back weakness, neck pain. Don't become that person. Here's the solution. Rows build thickness. Reverse snow angels build posture. Exercise 1. Backpack rows. Your main back builder. Fill a backpack with heavy books. Grab both straps. Hinge at the hips and lean forward. Keep your chest facing the floor and your back flat. Let the backpack hang straight down. Now pull it toward your stomach. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top. Lower it slowly with control. This is basically a barbell row using a backpack. It builds your middle back, lats, and upper back thickness. Earlier sets go close to failure. Last set goes to true failure. Exercise 2. Reverse snow angels. The posture fixer. Lie face down. Raise your arms slightly off the floor. Sweep them outward and down toward your hips. Then slowly return overhead. This trains the small upper back muscles that pull your shoulders back and reverse years of sitting posture. Go until true failure. Slow and controlled. That deep burn in your upper back. Those muscles are finally waking up. Rows build thickness. Reverse snow angels build posture. You need both. Shoulder training. Shoulders are where most home workouts completely fall apart. Pressing builds size. Lateral raises build width. Wide shoulders make your waist look smaller and your arms look bigger. Exercise 1. Pike push-ups. Your main shoulder builder. Get into a downward dog position. Hands and feet on the floor. Hips high in the air. The more vertical your body becomes, the more shoulder tension you create. Lower your head toward the floor between your hands. Pause for 1 second. Push back up. Control the movement. 2 to 3 seconds down. Earlier sets close to failure. Final set to true failure. Once it becomes easy, elevate your feet on a chair. That moves you closer to a handstand push-up. Exercise 2. Water bottle lateral raises. Grab 2 heavy water bottles. Raise your arms out to the sides until they reach shoulder height. Pause for 1 second. Lower slowly. Slow tempo. Constant tension. Even if the resistance is light, your side delts respond extremely well to high reps. 20, 30, even 40 slow reps can build real shoulder width. Presses build size. Raises build width. Chest training. Stretch. Tempo. Squeeze. 3 different growth mechanisms. Exercise 1. Deficit push-ups. Regular push-ups have a problem. The floor stops your chest from fully stretching. Deficit push-ups fix that. Place your hands on 2 sturdy books or chairs. Lower your chest below hand level. That deep stretch at the bottom is where serious chest growth happens. 2 seconds down. Pause at the bottom. Controlled push upward. Earlier sets close to failure. Final set to complete failure. Exercise 2. Slow push-ups. Standard push-up position. But now the tempo changes everything. 4 seconds down. 1 second pause. 2 seconds up. No bouncing. No momentum. Each representative takes around 7 seconds. Why does it work? Deficit push-ups give deep stretch. Slow push-ups give continuous mechanical tension. 2 completely different muscle building signals. By representative 10, your chest will be on fire. And once regular push-ups become easy, wear a backpack. Increase resistance, not just reps. Exercise 3. Backpack chest squeeze. Hold a heavy backpack against your chest. Push it straight outward. Fiat full extension. Squeeze your chest as hard as possible for 1 second. Then pull it back in. Most people ignore the squeeze portion of chest training, but the squeeze is where the magic happens. Deficit push-ups give stretch. Slow push-ups give tension. Chest squeezes give contraction. That's how you build a complete chest at home.